Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jayria. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like on this video, comment, share, and turn your post notifications on. So today I will be cooking cow foot Jamaican style, so continue watching and let's start this video. So I've already cleaned up and seasoned my cow foot with powder seasoning, and I will list them all in the description box below. So I'm adding some browning and I'm also adding some Jamaican cow foot seasoning. So now I'm massaging the seasoning into the cow foot, making sure that it is evenly spread. I've also added some Scotch bonnet pepper and some crushed garlic. So once everything is combined, I cover and let it marinate overnight. You can let it marinate for as long as you want. Okay guys, so now I am ready to cook. I am adding some vegetable oil to my pot and I'm going to wait a bit until the oil is really hot. So once the oil is hot, I go in with 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and once the brown sugar is caramelized, then I will add the cow foot. So even though I already add some browning to the cow foot, I like to brown some sugar, and this will give the cow foot a nice golden brown color. So once I achieve that golden brown color, I add some boiling water, and I use boiling water so I won't slow down the cooking process. Cow foot takes very long to cook if you are not using a pressure cooker, so I'm going to cover and let it cook for approximately 2.5 hours. So now I'm going to prepare my ground seasonings. I have some red onions, sweet pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, thyme, and carrots. So this is it after 2 hours. It's almost cooked, but it's not fully cooked. But this is the perfect time to go in with the ground seasonings. So as you can see, I'm now going in with the vegetables, and I'm going to cover and let it cook for another 15 minutes. So now I'm going in with my final ingredients, which is my butter bean. You cannot cook cow foot without adding some butter beans. So guys, I'm also adding some ketchup, which is optional, but as Jamaicans we love to add our ketchup to our gravy or sauce. So this is the end result, guys. My cow foot is done cooking and ready to serve. So please comment and let me know what y'all think about my cow foot recipe. Leave a like on this video, share. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, be sure to subscribe before you go so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you all for watching. Bye.